Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to link Outlook to your calendar. So open your settings, scroll down and find calendar. From here click on accounts, and here you can see the accounts are already connected, so iCloud and Gmail. I'm going to click on add account and then select Outlook. And then from here, you just need to log in to your Outlook account. So enter your email, phone or Skype, click next, and then you will enter your password. And then it's going to show up here. So I don't have an Outlook account, but as you can see, it will show up with the Gmail and iCloud accounts. I'm going to show you by going into my Gmail account what it looks like, so you can see the apps that are linked, so you can make sure that your calendar is turned on in here. And then let's go to our calendar, and then from here you can see that it's syncing now. So you can see at the bottom that there's a little spinning wheel, and if you click on that text at the bottom, it brings up all of the accounts that are linked here, so you can see. So you've got the iCloud, Gmail, and then the other things that are linked. And so it's all going to start to show up now in your calendar. As you can see, it's automatically adding things to my calendar now as it syncs. So that is how you link your Outlook account to your calendar. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.